The wife of former Cleveland Heights Mayor Kahlil Seren was in court today on a trespassing charge that you may recall became a much talked about issue this past political season. Natalie McDaniel entered a plea deal today, but it did not come without some drama. Annabelle Childers was in court and has the latest tonight.
It's been brought to my attention that the parties may have reached a resolution.
Monday morning, county prosecutors and a defense attorney for Natalie McDaniel appeared before a judge saying they'd agreed upon a plea agreement. Natalie McDaniel would withdraw her previously entered plea of not guilty to felony criminal trespassing and enter a plea of guilty to a misdemeanor charge in the 4th degree. Everything began as normal until the judge asked McDaniel to admit guilt.
It's my intention today to enter an Alford plea.
An Alford plea is a type of guilty plea where the defendant maintains their innocence but admits the prosecution's evidence would likely result in a guilty verdict in a trial. Judge Jeffrey Saffold said McDaniel would not be able to do that. He called a recess, and over the next 2 hours, both legal teams discussed the options. When the hearing resumed, the prosecution said they were still in favor of moving forward with this plea, even as an Alford plea. But Judge Saffold repeatedly voiced discomfort with the situation.
Here, what's happened that's remarkable is that without informing the prosecutor, she indicated that she intended to plead guilty. And now you know she intends immediately thereafter to say she didn't really commit the crime. She was just afraid of a conviction.
In the end, Judge Saffold did move forward to sentencing. Before the judge's decision, prosecutor Andrew Rogalski read a victim impact statement on behalf of the couple whose home Natalie McDaniel walked into uninvited.
To protect herself, she tried to destroy his reputation, giving inconsistent statements to police, acting combative, and blaming everyone except the person who forced her way into someone else's home.
The judge noted that McDaniel made many facial expressions throughout the trial. He asked if she regretted walking into this family's home.
Sir, this is never going to happen again because I appreciate the impact of my actions on others in a profound way.
Saffold ultimately sentenced McDaniel to 2 years of probation and ordered no contact with the victims. And in the hearing, the judge said from observing McDaniel's body language and behavior, he was going to recommend she see a medical health or a mental health professional. The defense did protest and oppose that idea, but in the end, the judge did order she sees a professional within the next month.
Okay, Annabelle Childers in downtown Cleveland. Thank you.